What's going on, guys? This is Robert from robertearlreed.com, and this, of course, is your home of character, cryptos, and cash flows. Got a little bit of news and notes for you today, so that is the intro. Here's the info. I was looking at an article over here on CCN, and it says portfolio chiefs quit world's largest asset manager to launch cryptocurrency hedge fund. Now, this is pretty intriguing, pretty interesting. You're talking about people who are already in the mainstream as it concerns assets. So these are hedge fund managers, meaning they're managing large amounts of money filled with baskets and baskets of stocks. Okay, could do some options and things like that, and they're trading at all in to start a cryptocurrency hedge fund. What do you guys think about that? Let's go ahead and dive right into the article. It says two senior portfolio managers have tendered their resignations at BlackRock ahead of launching a cryptocurrency hedge fund. Michael Wan, a senior portfolio manager who led BlackRock's fixed income assets allocation division, and fellow fixed income specialist Adam Grimsley, left the world's largest asset manager to found Prime Factor Capital. The duo will be joined at the firm by Nick Niedermau, an Oxford-trained mathematician, according to a financial news report. Quote, there are a myriad of issues faced by investors hoping to get into cryptocurrencies, Niedermau told the publication. Many don't know how it works, how to install them, how to allocate, whether they just buy Bitcoin or a range of cryptocurrencies. Compliance issues while storing them securely is a big concern, end quote. The fund aims to achieve $10 million of assets under management, about $14 million American. A relatively small amount compared to many cryptocurrency hedge funds. Black Tower Capital, for instance, recently announced that it had raised $140 million, while former Fortress manager Mike Novogratz had planned to launch a $500 million fund before shuttering those plans in favor of opening a crypto-focused merchant bank. Interesting. People are really jumping on the crypto train. Though minor in terms of assets under management, however, the creation of Prime Factor Capital is another example of portfolio managers at entrenched firms jumping ship to chase the outsized returns available to skilled cryptocurrency investors. This trend has been exacerbated due to the hesitance of large firms to bet on this burgeoning asset class and outright hostility of some financiers towards its very existence. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, for instance, has called Bitcoin an index of money laundering, while Vanguard founder Jack Bogle recently advised investors to avoid Bitcoin like the plague. The market is still at an early stage, concluded Niedermau. It's rare for a big institutional asset manager to commit to a new asset class, particularly if they don't feel the market is there. It's not surprising that they are biding their time. We view this as an opportunity. Well, I do too. You know, we know that the market for cryptocurrency is relatively young. I mean, this whole industry is really young. I mean, what, 2009, 2010 roughly. It took a number of years to gain any traction whatsoever, and obviously we've seen a number of coins go through the moon, Bitcoin being the least of which. So, guys, just tell me what you think about this. You got a lot of mainstream hedge fund managers jumping into the space and want to dive into the cool waters of cryptocurrency. Now, obviously, the biggest opportunity are for early adopters. In my opinion, I don't think cryptocurrencies are going anywhere. I think what may come down the line is a lot more in the way of regulations, unfortunately. Sometimes, all good things kind of come to an end. But I do think the market will stay around. I think the asset will stay around. This asset class, I think, is incredible. I think there's a lot of opportunity still there. But you're going to get some people coming in that probably shouldn't be in it. And then you're going to get some people that are like godsends when it comes to this asset class. You're going to have people who have tremendous opportunities and tremendous upside in it. Then you're going to have some of the snakes that are out there who's going to take advantage of people and stuff like that. It's the good with the bad. But isn't that with every financial instrument out there? Hasn't every financial instrument been abused? So, sticking with the article here, I think it's going to be the start of a trend. I think a lot of people who are in mainstream investments gonna jump over to cryptocurrency because of the buzz, because of the huge returns. And I think they're gonna try to tackle this subject, learn all they can, and get in on this space before it is too late. But that's what I think. But I want to know what you guys think. Put your comments down below on where you think the market is heading. Smash that notification button, comment, like, subscribe. Until next time, guys, conquer with cryptos. See you on the next video.